Oh, all right. This is supposed to be a serious interview, but for some reason, it's gone to the dogs. This past year has seen a lot of places going through a lot of changes and need more help than usual, and people are chipping in to do their part to help where they can, which brings us to our second guest of the morning. Marie Ballie has published a book called Jamaican Treasures, and they are treasures, where the proceeds, all of the proceeds, go to the Montego Bay Animal Haven. She's here this morning to tell us about what's driving her purpose. Good morning, ma'am. Welcome to Smile Jamaica.
Good morning, sir. Thank you so much.
We had such a lovely chat coming in. I can't tell you some of the things we talk about. But as I say, it is gone to the dogs. First things, I looked through the book. We both had a little chat before we came on. There are beautiful pictures.
Thank you, sir.
Beautiful. And I suspect our producer will put some up. If not, I'll show you some here with the book. But how this started, where this photography thing came from in the first place?
Okay, when I left nursing, I decided that I wanted to do something with a purpose apart from nursing. So I went to enroll at the Edna College for the course. After that, I decided, well, I do a lot of pictures, but I wanted to do something that would help somebody, something, some people. And because of my love for animals, I decided to do a book that could serve as a purpose. So really my photography, I call it with a purpose,
okay,
right? Because it is used really to help the Montego Bay Animal Haven, to help them in their daily activities, because they do have a lot of expenses.
Yeah.
The sales of the book have been going very well from individuals and corporate companies, so we're happy about that.
Yep. I want to talk a little bit more about the shelter. But what do you do? And we just showed you one of the pictures. So you just get up, walk with the camera, see something nice, and take it, or you decide, all right, I'm going to Ochi, I'm going to Dunsville, I'm going, how do you do
Right.
it?
It works both ways, right? Sometimes I do have a plan and I go out and I said I'm going to a specific place, but other times I just, a mad spell take me and I just get up and say I'm going to Port Royal or something. That particular picture you have with the sunset was taken in Port Royal, right? And the time of day, as you see, it's sunset, it really captured me.
Yeah. The first part of the book is just water, 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 water. Why? And we're looking at some,
yes, I love water. I'm a Cancer girl, a Cancer sign.
Yeah.
So I'm attracted to water. And also old places, old houses that are rustic. I love that too, you know. And of course, part of it, as you see, is from photos from the Montego Bay Animal Haven.
Yep. Why are you doing what you're doing for the Haven?
I see the need for it, and not only that, my love for animals, especially those that are suffering. A lot of them on the road are hungry, they are sick, they are abused by people who just pass and fling stone on them, you know. And when people don't want an animal, what they do, they tie them up in a remote area and just leave them to starve, right? So Tammy and her team, she has a team of animal angels island-wide that goes around and rescues these animals.
Not just dogs?
Not just dogs. Let me tell you, there are cats, there are cows, there are pigs, there are horses, there are donkeys. Everything is down there.
But only the dogs made it to Canada?
Yes.
What happens? They're adopted when they get to Canada?
Yes. We got help from the Canadian Save the Scruff Foundation in Canada, sorry, which actually took the dogs. It was one big operation, right? Made history, because that never happened here yet, right?
144.
Right, and they went on a plane and they went to Canada, and a lot of them had to stay in shelters overnight and maybe for days or weeks in order to be screened and all that, and then people came and adopted them. Now all of them are in homes, better than how them live on the street here.
Yeah, we said before we went on, I said mongrel, and you berated me.
No, call them that. We call them Royal Caribbean Terriers, okay? That's the name for them, Royal Caribbean Terriers. No
AKA
more mongrel.
mongrel.
No. I will tell you a story about that. Short. Some time ago, I went on the road because I do feed dogs on the road as well, right? And there was this one that had a cut. So I asked a man to go to a store to buy some wound powder to put on the cut, you know, because maggots would take it up.
Yeah.
Anyway, so he bought the cut, and men were around helping me to hold the dog. So him said, boy, miss, I so know that this dog gone to Canada, you know. So I said, really? True, you know. I mean, it can work out. So he said, you know, long me want to go to Canada and can't go. So I said, you know what? You have to go 2 more foot in order to go to Canada.
And it might work.
Yes,
It might work.
yes.
Where can we get the book?
Okay, they're available at Cannonball, which is in Sovereign North.
Okay.
And they're at the vets, All Pets Vet on Charlton Avenue.
Okay.
And Noah's Ark.
Yeah.
Now they're at Ligoni Drug and Garden,
yep.
right? And I have books too.
Okay.
Right.
And the cost?
3,005.
And you said all the proceeds will go.
100% of the proceeds
So not even
go.
$1 you get for all this work?
Well, I get it in a different way. I get the love and I get the, you know, it works on my soul, and my soul is good because I feel that I have done something for animals.
Yeah, but Miss Marie,
So
you can't go in a supermarket and say, you know, I just feed a stray dog.
I know. I know.
These
but it
pictures
comes
are
back another
amazing,
way.
by the way.
Thank you, sir.
So this is what you do. This is your job. This is a hobby. This is fun. What is this?
It's everything.
Yeah.
It's my job. I'm a professional photographer trained at Edna Manley.
Yeah.
And it is now my main source of income. Because my
fantastic.
pictures are sold. I have a website. Pictures are
You
sold.
have individual pictures, like you will frame them and sell them.
Right.
Where is this?
This one is a golf course, a famous golf course at Caymanas.
Oh, okay.
So you look right across, you see right across by the
And you see the port.
port,
Yeah.
right.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Beautiful. So again, you would have set out for this, or you were just passing and said,
No, this one, that day I had a wedding out there. I do
Okay.
weddings as well. And I had a wedding there, and these people were playing golf. So I said, wow, look at that.
Yeah.
You
So you
know?
walk with your camera
Yeah.
all the time?
Not every day.
Why not though? Because I know you don't bring it to this, so you never want to take my
because
picture.
people will keep it, you know.
But you don't want to take my picture. I want to see me on the front page of your next
You have
book.
to
and
be
you never-
very careful.
Yeah,
Yeah.
This is beautiful.
Okay, that is a place called Clydesdale in Newcastle. That's all the way up to Sincona Gardens, right? Way up a bush. Nowadays, the roads are very, very bad. You can either rent a little scooter thing, but a car can't really go up
Is
there.
that one camera you use? And,
No,
or you
you
use
take
different?
more than one because one can shut down with you.
Oh, the
right?
camera when you shut down?
No, man, it's an electronic equipment, you know, and you go to a wedding and you only have one camera, you're in trouble.
Why?
Oh, you mean you have to give back the people them their money?
But why you think it going shut down?
No, because you can never tell.
Yeah,
You
these
know?
are I love everything about it.
Oh,
It seems to be like a nice gift also.
yes, it is, especially for Christmas, especially for Christmas.
Look at
I'm
that. No,
putting
look
a
at that.
plug in.
Yeah,
Buy for Christmas gifts.
look at that. Isn't that just fantastic?
Yes, those are old rustic houses. Some are still standing,
Yeah.
some are not, because as you see, you know, it has had its heyday, you know, but they're really,
But they are
it
beautiful
attracts
still,
like a charm of the old time days.
Yeah, man, they are beautiful.
You know,
They are beautiful.
love those old houses.
Miss Marie, I'm impressed.
Thank
I'm
you,
impressed.
sir.
I'm not impressed that you never bring a camera. We take all of
But
us.
take all of your, all
And
right.
then we could see ourselves in some magazines. Finally, tell me again where you could my ad.
Okay, they are available at Cannonball Cafe in Northside Plaza and at the Vets on
North
Hope
side
Road.
or Sovereign?
Sovereign North, I'm sorry.
Yeah, Sovereign North.
Sovereign North, and at Noah's Ark,
Okay.
which is a vet,
Right.
right? And at All Pets Vet, which is also a vet.
Okay.
And now they're at Ligoni Drug and Garden, and I have some.
Fantastic. I was going to say she's a former nurse, but she's a nurse. You can't be a former nurse. You're a nurse. Her name is Mrs. Marie Ballie, photographer, author of Jamaican Treasures. And in case you've just joined. Take my word for it. It's worth it. All right, stay with us. We'll come back to talk about vaccines. Well, we're going to talk about booster shots. So stay with us, please. Soon come.